Hello everyone, let's have a look at an employee bonus payslip report Odoo app. A single way to manage an employee bonus. You can set a bonus by amount or a percentage, choose the right group based on the location, department or a job role, and it automatically updated in the payroll as well as in the reports. Now, after installing this module, let's get into the employees. Over here in the configuration, we can see an employee bonus where we have created one of the bonus. Now, let's create a new one where we can add a special bonus. Special bonus, and in this, we need to give an declaration date as well as we need to give the date of application. In this, we can choose applied by. We can either choose an amount or else we can choose a percentage too. If it is an amount, we can add an amount. If it is a percentage, we can add how much percentage it will be. Okay, now let's choose an amount. As of now, let's add an amount as 5,000 for example. Now in this, you can see the group target where we can target based on the country wise, state wise. If you choose a country, it will list out all the country. Let's take a look of India where you can see a list of employees which are come from this specific country which we have selected. And if it is a state, you can see that it will be fetching all the details based on an employee wise based on the state that we have selected. Now if you choose in company wise, we can choose a company where it will fetch all the employees based on the company wise, like same way it will for department, also for the job positions too. Okay, now let's choose a department over here, and in this I'm going to choose in management. There is a two-person where you can see one is a mutual admin and another one is an HR line. So from here we can add a bonus detail. Now, after adding the bonus detail, now let's save this one where we have a three stages. One will be the draft stage, confirm, email, send. So once we have confirm and send an email, it will send an email to this specific employees which we have selected. Now let's validate it where we have an email template, and this will be the email template for a bonus where we have a bonus declared by, declaration date, application date, bonus date. Now we have sent an email to the specific two employees. Now let's look around an email. Over here you can see that the mail will be sent to all the employees which we are there in this employee list. And let's get into the first one where you can see from it will be from a mutual admin to the employee mail. And also here in the content you can see hello the employee name, the bonus declared by the person, and here in this you can see the declared date, application date, bonus amount as well. It will be sent to the employee email which we have added in the employees master data. Okay, now let's create a payslip for the same. For that we need to get into the payroll, and before that let's check whether it is applied in the specific user or not. So for that we need to get into the specific user. So this will be the user where you can see the amount of bonus amount will be credited. Okay, now let's click on payroll. Let's create a new payslip for the employee. So for this employee, the contract structure, everything will be automatically fetched. Let's compute the sheet. So over here in the salary computations, you can see the bonus amount will be automatically added. Now if you try to print, now here in this, let's print the payslip. Now in this payslip print where you can see an employee bonus over here too. This is how this module works. If you have any queries regarding this video, you can ask in the comment box. We will definitely solve your queries. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, you can like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more Odoo related updates. Thanks for watching.